All right, we're out at the Roth's house. It's April 14th, 80 degrees. It's about 3:30. We're gonna perform the repair here. We've labeled all the shingles, performing the repairability assessment. All right, so what we're looking for: material transfer, crease, delamination, granule loss, nail pull through, and tears or rips in the shingles. So what we're gonna do first, we're gonna break the seal underneath shingle X and shingle 1 and 2, and then we're gonna break the seal up here. We're gonna remove the nails here, then we're gonna do the same thing up here, because the very top of the shingle is nailed in right here. So we're gonna remove all these nails, remove the shingle, replace it with our new shingle, and document any damage that we come across as we are going. All right, so first thing is just this bottom layer. And right there, already ripped. Now that shingle X, that's the one we're replacing. So we don't necessarily need to mark that, but it's not a good indication for going forward. So we do already have some material transfer right here, under shingle X onto shingle 2. Right there. And then you can see right there too. And you can see the chunk of the shingle, maybe.
Yeah.
There.
There you go.
You got that purple chalk?
Yeah.
Use a different color.
I could do it for you.
Or if you'll write it up there, but I want to mark it in purple down here so it stands out. You can mark it with, you can put it up there with whatever color.
Okay, so we got material transfer on 2.
Delaminating big time right here. This is the one we're replacing, but so we got more material transfer. That's still shingle 2. I'm gonna mark it. And we'll see it better once we take this shingle off. All right, so now we gotta do the same thing up here, shingle 6. And due to it being an architectural shingle, we have to, once we break the seal, in order to get underneath it, you're supposed to break it all the way across. Already got some delamination happening here on 6. Here, mark it in. Delamination. Major delamination. Material transfer. On the back of 6. Top of 4. You see right there. And look, see if you can zoom in on that. You can see the fiberglass.
Yep.
Hold it steady. So delamination on 6, we've already got material transfer on 4 and 6. 4 and 6. So then I'm gonna do the same thing on 5. And that just ripped. Here on 5. Material transfer on 5. Look at that. All right. Move these nails. And there comes the bottom part of shingle X. Looks like it's already disconnected most of the way. Yeah, that looks like delaminate. Granule material transfer in the corner. Lamination right there. So 8
Mat transfer. 8 and 6 mat transfer.
8 delamination. Seven. Seven's delaminating. Material transfer. Yeah, you can see the nail pull through on 5 right there. We can zoom in on the material transfer. Here and there. And that would be on to shingle 5. Nail pull through right there. There. But that doesn't matter on this one.
How are those knees?
Oh, they're good. These old 35-year-old knees. shingle was that? Did it say on the back?
Doesn't say. Doesn't tell us.
Yet, right? Those are the only two we found out.
TU 1847. Doesn't tell us.
This is a perfect match. Alright, so let's go over failure points. We got delamination on 7. We've got a rip on 5. Got delamination on 8. Is there any? Yeah, and then there was mat transfer right here on 6. 6 and 8. Delamination on 6. Material transfer on 4 and 6 here.
Okay.
We've got on shingle 2, got material transfer right there. Material transfer under here.
Okay, we got material transfer number 2.
multiple failure points.
Any granule loss?
I mean, maybe a little.
Not worth noting.
Not excessive.
Okay. But the delamination.
Bunch of delamination.
Yes.
Bunch of delamination.
Shingles 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8.
All right. That's it.